Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the SlimSafe Solar Security Light and the SlimSafe Pro. Let's get going. In the box you have the instructions and the screws, and of course the security light of your choice. We'll start with the regular SlimSafe. So this is what it looks like. The amazing thing about this security light is any other security light that we've had round about this size gives out a maximum of 400 lumens. This security light gives out 800 lumens. The solar panel is already attached to the light, and so is the bracket at the back. It's very simple to install this. You simply line up the holes to wherever you want to mount it and then screw the screws into place. Another big advancement with this security light is that the solar panel itself has all of these reflective beads to draw in as much sunlight as possible onto the panel. Another advancement is that we don't use a PIR motion sensor on this light. Instead, we've upgraded to a microwave sensor. It works very similarly. This light can still detect motion up to 10 meters away, and fully charged can activate up to 500 times a night. This light is 800 lumens. It's very simple to turn on. There's a button on the side that you press in like so, and then as soon as it gets dark, your motion activated light will trigger when motion is detected. This is a product that continues to operate well in winter. It is an incredibly easy light to install without the need of running cables, and the solar panel is super durable and can last up to 10 years. Now, if you're looking for something very similar in design and size, but just need it to be a little bit brighter, look no further than the SlimSafe Pro Solar Security Light. Again, this is a motion-activated solar security light with a microwave sensor integrated into the unit. This light produces an incredible 1500 lumens, which is the brightest solar security light that is currently commercially available. This light too can trigger up to 500 times a night and has a motion sensor range of 10 meters. And this is what the incredible 1500 lumens looks like. The solar panel is also fitted with reflective beads to draw in as much sunlight as possible and convert it to usable electric energy, and it's incredibly durable, built to withstand UK climates, and the solar panel can last 10 years or more. So if you're looking for something incredibly easy to install and exceptionally bright, look no further than these SlimSafe Solar Motion Security Lights. If you have any questions about these products, please comment them down below and we will get back to you with the answers. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.